Tomorrow's car is an ultra-efficient, all-electric, self-driving engineering masterpiece. We already have the technology. Question is, do we have the drivers? Even the greatest automotive breakthroughs will come to nothing if drivers do not trust in them. And to win trust, tomorrow's cars must be dependable. The race to win trust starts with dependable electronics. Dependability is hardwired into Infineon's DNA. Reflecting our zero-defect quality mindset, our automotive components are designed for the highest levels of robustness and reliability. We add an additional layer of excellence through our holistic approach to functional safety, plus our exceptionally deep and broad cybersecurity expertise. And we combined all this with our innovative system and operational capabilities to win the trust of tomorrow's drivers. Through dependable electronics that make self-driving cars safe, secure, and highly available. Think automotive dependability. Think Infineon.